Hello, this is Dr. Mohammad Asif Shah speaking from Kabul. We are outside the airport, Hamid Karzai International Airport. We have been here from, we can say, midnight, 12 o'clock. We reached here and we have no any official in contact who will allow us or make it possible that we can enter the airport. Nobody inside the airport that who can take us inside the airport. We are 280 people stranded here outside, and the heavy firing is going on. We are not able to make a decision what should we do further next, because there is no any communication, total black. We can say everybody is blank, everybody is clueless what to do next. We request our higher officials, all the authorities, MEA, the embassy, that kindly take sincere note of our request. Kindly try to do a possible contact that who will make us allow to go inside, or there should be someone from inside who will allow us, because every country have their own security personnel or officials who are taking them inside the airport, but we are all citizens without any official, without any security personnel, so they are not allowing us to enter the airport. So we request again a sincere request for all of you to take a note of this, so that we will not suffer in the hands of people who are right now, we can see here, who can do anything. You can see the visuals here. The visuals are going on. There are thousands and tens of thousands of people who are marching towards the airport. So it is very tough. It is next to impossible to enter the airport if it will continue like this without any support of the government. So we request the government that to please take a sincere note and help out us in this very we can say tragedy. Thank you so much.